science? Few minutes with Driti. Hello friends, do you know what is the unit that each organism is made up of? Just as building is made by arranging bricks on bricks, the body of an organism is also made by arranging cells on cells. However, there are some organisms that are made by only one cell, such as amoeba. Today, we'll see what the cells look like. Friends, we can take onions here as creatures because onions are a part of plants and we all know that plants are creatures. Now, I'll introduce you to everything you need to see plant cells from onions. Microscope, petri dish, slide, glycerin mixed water, forceps, cover slip, dropper, watch glass with iodine, tissue paper, brush, onions and knife. First, I'll cut the onion. Then take a piece of scale. Now I'll put a drop of glycerin mixed water in the middle of a slide. Then remove the thin transparent layer with forceps from the inside of the scale. Leave the sample in the iodine solution. Keep it in the watch glass for some time. Now I'll lift the sample with forceps and place it on the slide in glycerin mixed water, and if we wish, we can spread it with a brush. Then cover the sample with a cover slip and wipe off excess water with tissue paper. Friends, our slide is ready. Let's see it under the microscope. Do you want to see what I saw under the microscope? Then look at here. Now we understand that how to observe the cell and what it looks like. No more today. Bye bye.